you happen to be a newbie that's passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm known as, you know, for being the beauty on the budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, period. Like, trust me, just trust me, you don't want to miss the uploads I be sharing on this channel. You don't want to do that, which brings me to today's video. It's a wig review, another one. This one is going to be by Vice. Now, this one is not new to YouTube, and she's not new to this channel, but the color I'm going to show you today is new to this channel, which is Vice unit number 10 in the color LT613 pink, which looks like this right here. Yes, dolls, this wig right here. Now, when it comes to this wig, I already said she's not new to the channel because I've already worn her before. In fact, in this very same color that you see right here on this face card. That's the color I'm wearing right there. So yeah, I'm very familiar with this wig, but when I realized that it came in the pink color, no way was I about to leave it in inventory. So this is the face card of what she's looking like. That is what I look like wearing it before, and this is her out of its packaging. Gorgeous. I love the ombre pink looking color. So what I'm going to do is cut the lace, because she's a full synthetic wig. I'm going to cut the lace, and then we're going to try her on, and I'm also going to share with you my outfit of the day as to what actually inspired me to buy this color anyway. So yeah, let's get the lace cut off of this one. And I'm also going to add some of my face powder in on the parting space, just to kind of, you know, brighten it up. Now, when it comes to me cutting the lace off my wig units, I've said it in a previous video, I'm very retro, old school at it. And what I noticed is that a lot of the now YouTubers that be doing their wig reviews, they tend to put the wig on their head and actually cut it. Me, I'm not going to do that, because I've seen way too many oopsies and nicks on the forehead that I'm not willing to put myself through. So yeah. So I'm very old school with it. I just simply cut it, you know, being on the wig head, and then I'll go ahead and apply the unit on to my actual head, just like that. Now, as I was saying to you all, I was actually inspired by a particular piece that I purchased to wear this wig with. So I'm going to share that with you in just a second. This is the lace that I cut. The lace is soft, very soft, but for now I'm just now going to add my face powder onto the parting space ahead of time, so I don't have to struggle with this. Now, I'm only adding the face powder just to brighten up the parting space, to make it appear more visible. I didn't do any other manipulation to this parting space as far as the length or the actual width. Let me turn you around. The length or the width of the parting space is what it is. I didn't do any manipulation to that. All I'm doing is adding my face powder here on the actual parting space, so that when I put the wig on, it can blend more seamlessly. And with the extra laces that I left, I'm going to add some of my face powder right there along the roots where I know will be visible. So yeah, so that was that. Now it's time to put her on. I am so excited. This is exciting. I kind of already know what to expect though, because like I said, I already have this unit in another color, so I already know what the fit is going. Oh wait, standard construction cap. This is what it looks like inside. Here's some other specs. You got 2 combs, one on each side of the temple. You have a comb in the nape of the neck, as well as adjustable straps on this unit. Okay, we're going to put her on. Ta-da! I gotta fix her up, you know? We gotta fix her up. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think we can work with her, right? Right? She's doing something. Oh my gosh, let me fix her. Let me tuck the combs. All right, let me finish pulling her together, and I'll come back with the outfit and everything else so you can get a chance to see the full ensemble. But for now, this is Vice unit number 10, okay, in LT 613 pink, and I'm gonna finesse her into my outfit of the day. So okay, glam dolls, so here is the full ensemble. What do you dolls think? Oh my god, see, this was the reason why I picked this specific wig and style, was to complement my outfit of the day. Again, this is the Vice unit number 10 in LT 613 pink. That is the face card right there. I already have this unit in the actual color that's on the face card, which is right there. I first fell in love with it then, and I am definitely in love with it now. Now, the only difference with this particular unit versus the first one that I've had on is, for some reason, this side, the swoop is hanging a little bit lower than this side, but that's okay. I'm going to work with it and look, you know, try to finesse it. But let me show you all the full, you know, complete outfit. The bustier, I got this from Rainbow Shops, aka the Blue Bag Boutique. That's what I like to call Rainbow Shops, the Blue Bag Boutique. So I got the bustier from there, and the jeans I'm wearing came from Alloy Apparel, tall girl friendly, okay, tall girl friendly. And this is the full ensemble, and I gotta admit, it came together very, very, very nicely. So on that note, dolls, this have now concluded the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Additional information about this Vice 10 unit will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check there for its details, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Because I'm liking this. Yeah. Make sure you get it. And oh, if you happen to be a newbie passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam. I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload with things like what I just shown you in this video right here. Hit that subscribe button. Seriously, this concludes the video.